Here's a quick demo of setting the volume and the ringtone for the Daytech receiver. You can change the volume at any time by just pressing the volume button here, and it'll cycle through 5 different levels, including mute, which it's on now. I'll set it to the low level here. And then you can change the ringtone by using these up and down arrows here. Okay, and then there's the next one. And there's 20 of these different ones I could go through, but I'm going to go back to this one. I think that's what we like. And so now I need to pair the receiver with my transmitter, which is my wrist button. All I have to do is press and hold the volume button down there until I get that little ding and the flash. Now it's ready to pair, so I just press this button once. I get the 2 dings that says it's paired. I'm done. Now I'll just test it to make sure it's working. Press the button, and I get my new ringtone. So that's it. Easy setup, and it's been working great for us, and works on all 3 levels of our house.